Hi, I'm Jason from All Things Containers, and today we're going to talk about door seals or gaskets for all various types of shipping containers, everything from refrigerated containers to dry vans to open toppers to rail boxes. I have upwards of 15 different types of door seals or gaskets, but today we're looking at just your standard GP door seal, and I'm going to show you how to replace a full set, left-hand and right-hand doors, and sectional repair part of the gasket. And let's get into it. So for starters, your right-hand door seal or gasket covers the full perimeter of the door because it then overlaps the left-hand door, which is missing that, but it's like a C. So that comes as a set. That's GTA-003, that door seal. So that is a set, left hand and right hand. Now, if you were to replace them, you need to remove the retaining strip. You tend to chisel the rivet heads off, pop off your retaining strip. From time to time you can reuse that, or I sell GRS-001 gasket, stainless steel gasket retaining strip, pre-drilled holes in it. What we would do is, if you are going to replace or even section, we will go back. So with the full door seals sets, I also sell the same gasket in a length, 2.5 metre length, GTA-002. That's the highest selling door seal that we have, and that's just a length version of the full set that you see here. Now, if we were going to section a part of that gasket, you cut that off with a pair of tin snips or something like that, or your 5-inch cutter. You would chisel off the rivets required. You would pop that out. You could cut that with a Stanley knife. Then you input whatever measurement. You might section that much, you might section that much. You remove the rivets, slide in the new gasket, pull out the old one, run a bead of sealer top and bottom as to where you've removed the door gasket, and you section the new one in. Thank you for your time.